Did you know that salmon is one of the most nutritious foods on the planet and the most efficient food production system that we have today? Fish farms around the world are asking, how do we become more sustainable?
This is where we come in. We produce a sustainable feed for farmed fish. We do this using the seeds of the hemp plant, which support biodiversity, regenerate soils, and enable fish farms to improve their carbon footprint by a minimum of 41%.
We work with some of the world's leading researchers and have been funded by the government. We developed a world first, which won a global award in 2023 and was featured in over 30 international publications.
We've been researching hemp for over a decade. We're really interested in working with Rare Earth Global, particularly as we're trying to build the sector, and I think there's lots of opportunities to look for options to use other parts of the plant and get hemp into the food supply chain.
As we run our commercial pilot, we're working with some of the world's largest and most innovative aquaculture companies.
Lockdura is a premium salmon production company. We've been around for 21 years. We produce 6,500 tonnes annually over 10 sites, but we also have new sites that should see us double our capacity over the next 5 to 6 years. What we're looking forward to with working with Rare Earth Global is being able to investigate the use of hemp meal and create something that could be truly revolutionary within the industry.
So how do we do this? We work with farmers in the UK to grow and process hemp.
John and I have been farming here together for 33 years. There is an abundance of health benefits from the seed and masses of uses for the fibre. Rare Earth Global are helping grow that demand in the bulk.
With hemp, we've developed a new commodity that's both sustainable and scalable. And with our zero waste policy, we're able to reach price competitiveness with the products that we're replacing. Hemp can sequester up to 8 times more CO2 than trees and can store 22 tonnes of CO2 per hectare.
We have farmers in place and customers ready to buy our products. Join us on this journey.